I'm using about a 24-inch cone, and I am going to add all of your usual suspects that you would find on a cheese and meat board. So this is just some salami. I've got some pepperoni. I have some prosciutto. I have a bunch of different cheeses. So I take some salami and I kind of fold it into quarters. I fold the middle down, and then I like to secure this with a little bocconcini. So then I put a toothpick through it, and so you've got a little salami flour with a little bit of mozzarella inside. What I like to do is I like to kind of skewer everything first. So I've got black olives, green olives.
Like your mise en place,
exactly,
so once you start decorating, you can continue decorating.
Exactly. So what I like to do here is I like to start from the bottom, and all I do, so I like to do it in circles. So I'm gonna start with my little salami and mozzarella base. And then as you work your way up, I like to, so you can do any pattern. I kind of did like 2 meats, cheeses, I threw in some olives, and then you skewer the little pepperoncini.